Hey, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV with another quick tip. I'm going to go over why it's important to check and replace your cabin air filter.
Everyone is familiar with the engine and oil filters, but the cabin air filter is often forgotten. For those that don't know, it filters the air that's fed into the vehicle's heating and air conditioning systems. It traps things like dust, dirt, and pollen, preventing them from entering the vehicle and polluting the cabin. There are a few telltale signs that your filter needs to be replaced. The most common one is noticeably poor airflow from the vehicle's vents, which reduces the efficiency of your heat or AC and could possibly strain the system. You might also notice a weird smell when there's air coming from the vents. A dirty filter can produce a dusty, dirty, or musty smell and might make the cabin uncomfortable for passengers. If you're a do-it-yourself type of person, you should be checking it at least once a year, but I'd recommend every few months, especially if you live in a large city with lots of pollution or an area that's dry and dusty. If you take your vehicle in for services like an oil change, dealerships will usually check it every time and will let you know when it's time for a change. Ask to see the old one. You'll probably be surprised by what you find. Keep in mind, the air entering the vehicle literally goes right through all that gross stuff, so what you see is what you're breathing in. The cabin air filter is usually found behind the glove box, but it does vary depending on the model, so make sure to always consult your owner's manual before attempting to check it. Hope this helps you keep your cabin air healthy and smelling fresh. Make sure to stay tuned for more quick tips.